Good evening, Olivia.
Good evening.
Nice to see you again. Nice to see you too, teacher. Say nice to see you too, teacher. Where are you, Olivia? Can you see me? Can you see me? Hello? Oh, can you please unmute? Unmute now. Hi.
Hi,
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, that's good. How was your day? What did you do? What did you do today, Olivia? I
Go
went.
to school.
Oh,
I go to school to have a birthday party.
wow, that's fun. Whose birthday? Whose birthday is that? Your classmates?
Yes,
Oh, how old is your classmate now? Like
5.
5 years old?
Yes,
Oh, he's now 5. How about you? How old are you now?
5.
5. When is your birthday, Olivia?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know your birthday? Okay, that will be your homework. Ask mommy when is your birthday, okay? Okay, now let's watch a video. Please listen and repeat after the audio, okay?
The boy jumps with joy. His mom gives him a toy.
Okay, let's
The
listen again.
The boy jumps with joy. His mom gives him a toy. The thin boy has a toy truck. He plays with his toy. He plays in the soil. Look out! There is oil in the soil. Too late. The truck is in the oil. Mom boils the truck. Now there is no oil.
Wow, very good. Now let's read to, oh, where's my camera? Okay, there. Now let's read the story. The
That client
boy
review was
jumps
brutal.
with
We're gonna
joy.
be underwater for weeks.
I'm already so pruny.
This is fixable.
Hello?
Hello,
Hello?
hello.
Okay, I can't hear you clearly, my dear. Now let's read together. The boy jumps with joy.
The boy comes to the door.
His mom gives him a toy.
Her mom gives her
The
a
thin
toy.
boy has a toy truck.
The thin boy has a toy.
He plays his toy with his toy.
He plays with her toy with her toy.
He plays in the soil.
She's placed in the soil.
Look out, there is oil in the soil.
Watch out, there has oil in the soil.
Too late, the truck is in the oil.
Too late, the truck is in a soil.
Mom boils the truck.
The The mom boiled the truck.
Now there is no oil.
Now there has no oil.
Okay, very good. Now, can you try to read by your own?
The
Please try to read by your
boy
own.
the,
The boy
the boy has
jumps
the
with joy.
joy during toy.
This one, what is this? His
He's no, I don't know.
his mom gives him a toy.
Her mom gives him a toy.
Mm-hmm. Next, this one. The thin boy
The thin boy.
has a toy truck.
The thin boy has a toy truck.
He plays with his toy.
He plays with a toy.
Okay, next, your turn. He
He play in the
soil.
oil.
How about this? What's this?
Soil.
Look out. There is oil in the soil.
The
There is oil in the soil. Next, too late. The truck is in the soil. Hello? Hello? Olivia, where are you? Hello?
Hello, he plays and the toy.
Too late.
Hello.
The truck is in the oil.
Too late. Mom, truck is
Correct. Mom, yes, mom boils the truck. Now, there is no oil.
No oil.
Okay, good job. More practice, Olivia, reading when we don't have classes, okay?
What is it called?
Now let's listen to the
Sometimes projects can involve multiple documents.
video.
Adobe Acrobat streamlines our processes, allowing us to combine and organize all the files for a project and share for review without needing multiple email attachments.
Okay, please listen.
A boy is boiling oysters by the sea. A boy is boiling oysters by the sea. Put them in the pot. 1, 2, 3. Put some in that pot for me. A boy is
Okay, Olivia. Now let's read. Now need to practice reading, my dear. Okay, this one. Now please read aloud.
Is ball.
A boy.
A boy
What's this?
is
Mm-hmm. Boiling.
boiling
What's this? What's this? Oysters
oysters
by the sea.
by the sea.
Again,
The oyster is on the sea.
a boy is boiling oysters by the sea.
By the sea.
By the sea.
By the sea.
Put them in the pot.
Put it on the top.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Put some in that pot for me.
Put the popcorn here.
A boy
A boy
What's this? Is boiling
is going
by the sea.
by the sea.
Okay, correct. Now fill in the blanks with these words. What do you see in the picture? The man has. What's the man eating, Olivia? What's the man eating?
The
Eating oysters for lunch. Next, how about this? What is the two boys doing? The two. Okay, the two boys. Now, where is your pen? Now, please put the word the man has. Okay. Please write your answer. Olivia, please write your answer. Where is your pen? The man has oysters for lunch. Correct. Number 2. The two boys are friends.
The two boys are friends.
How about number 3? What do you see in the picture? The girl washes her doll in the
with
soap. The girl washes her doll in the soap. Okay, now put your answer, soap. Olivia, where's your answer? Soap. Next, number 4, the boy. What is the boy doing? Oh, is this a toilet?
yes,
Okay, the girl washes her doll in the toilet.
the girl washing her doll in the toilet.
Yes, number 4.
Did you
The boy plays in the
see
soil alone. Again, the boy plays in the soil alone. Next, the jeep has
mm,
soap in the wheels.
the jeep has a wheel
Has soap in the wheels.
has soap in the wheel.
Okay, good job. Next, now let's have listen and circle the picture you hear. Now, Olivia, okay, you can play later. Listen and circle the picture you hear, like this number 1. Now I will play the audio. Please listen carefully.
Review 1. Units 1 through 4. Track 30. A. Listen and circle the picture you hear.
Number 1.
Tree. Tree.
Number 2.
Boat. Boat.
Number 2, boat.
Number 3.
Wait.
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 Number 4.
Row.
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 Number 5.
Soap.
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 Number 6.
Train.
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 Train. Very good. Okay, it's all correct. Well done. Now let's move on. Complete the words. Okay, what is this, Olivia?
Brown,
It's gray. Gray.
green,
How about this number 2? Meat. Now write your
Meat.
correct answer. Meat. What is meat? What is meat, Olivia?
Mm,
Meat is a food we eat. Meat is a main dish. How about this? What's this? Number 3. What's this, Olivia? Number 3. Coat. Coat. Now, number 4. What's this?
Ring.
This one?
Ring.
Food. Food. What's your correct spelling? What is the spelling of food? Feet. Feet. What's the correct spelling of feet? Now let's move on to number 5. What is number 5? What's this? What's this, Olivia? Soil. 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 S-O-I-L. What is soil? What is soil? We put a soil to the flower. How about this one? What's this?
Ring.
Rain. Okay, rain. Correct. Now fill in the circle next to the correct word. Fill in the circle next to the correct word. What is this? Boat. Boat. Number 2. Soap. Correct. Day. Row. Bowl. Coat. Correct. Feet. And window. Good job. Okay, very good. Now let's move on to section D. Look at the picture. Check the correct sentences. Number 1, the mouse has
The mouse sheep.
big teeth. Next, how about this? The mailman comes by
By
train.
green.
Okay, correct. Next, number 3.
Two.
The owl.
Two.
The owl waits for the mouse. The owl waits for the mouse. Okay, Olivia, I'm sorry. We are time. Okay, that is will be your homework. Okay, do you have a lot of books? Try to read more books. Okay, so it's much more easier when reading English. Okay, Olivia, that's all for tonight. Thank you. This is for you. A pink teddy bear, Care Bear. Do you like the color? Purple.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, Olivia. Have a good night. Thank you. Bye. Love you. Bye bye. See you on Monday. Bye. Bye bye.